Hello traders, welcome to Forex Back channel. In this video I want to talk about a very good skill that you need in technical analysis while using MetaTrader platforms. That is how you can use templates to simplify your trading. Templates are extremely good for backing up your charts in case your PC crashes, or in case you need to transfer your charts, your analysis from one PC to another, or in case you've just bought a new PC and you just want to transfer what you have already analyzed onto that new PC without reanalyzing again. Templates is the secret. So after installing your platform onto your PC and logging into your accounts successfully, this is how the market will look like. This is how the charts will look like. So what you do, okay, one thing I want to show you is when I come here, any chart that I choose will come exactly like how the default is. Okay, any chart that I choose will come just like how the default templates was. Okay, just like how the default chart was. So what we're going to do is let me first delete all these ones. So we're going to set the properties for this chart to make it look user friendly. First thing I want to remove this, call the chart to the end on taking income. I always leave this one off, okay, and leave this one on. So let's first go to properties and we'll see. So sometimes you may find when your chart is in bar, so you have to change it to candlesticks. Okay, we can remove this grid by right clicking and click on grid, or you can just simply click on Ctrl G. So this is our chart. This is how we want our chart to look like, our default. So all you have to do is right click, come here on templates, come on save template, you type in defaults. Okay, so this is secret number 1. After typing in default, any other chart that you open will open exactly like that. You see, this is secret number 1. Any chart that you open. Okay, now secret number 2. Let's first analyze the chart here. Let's first analyze gold here, and I show you another secret. The points that I'll be looking at, all the zones, all the PRSs. So these are the points where I'll be looking to trade. Here, if the market comes back here, I'll be looking to buy it here at confluence, and anywhere on this trend line I'll be looking to sell it since we're in a downtrend, and on this major supports I'll be looking to trade it anywhere on this major support. For this for this we don't need any confluence. For this we don't need any confluence. So what happens is, what if I want to transfer this template and what if I want to transfer it on a different piece and I don't want to reanalyze again the charts? So you come here, right click, you go to templates, save templates, then you put in the name that you want. Let's just call it gold, ZAO USD. We'll save. Okay, so after saving this template, what you do, you need to locate where the directory, you need to locate where the folder is. You come here on templates, sell out templates. You can see this is where the folder is. This is the template directory. Okay, this is where the templates folder is. So you just click and hold and drag this to anywhere. Let's drag it to downloads. Okay, let's create a link in downloads. Now let's go to downloads and we see where our template is. Now you can see, as you can see in downloads, this is our templates. This is where our Zao is. Don't need to worry about these ones, you can delete them. So this is our template, this is our default template, and this is our gold template. So I can transfer this template anywhere I want. I can just upload it to my email, can put it on my flash disk and go anywhere I want with this template. Now here's the thing, I used MT4 to analyze the chart, which means the programming language is MQL4. So this template can only work on MT4 platform. Okay, it can't work on MT5 because the programming languages are different. MT5 is MQL5. So to show you an example, let me just open another chart here. So now this is a different account but still on MT4. So this is gold. All we have to do to transfer the template, instead of analyzing again, because now you can see this is now default, everything is like default, like how you have just, it's as if you've just opened yours, installed your platform. This is how it looks. Then you go to load templates. You go right click template, you load templates, you look for where did you put your templates. It is in downloads. Okay, it is in downloads. You open, double click, as you can see, golds. The way we analyze it on the other charts, we have just transferred the templates in just a few seconds without even analyzing again. So this becomes extremely crucial if you're a swing trader and you are looking to analyze a lot of charts, like over 10 charts. It can take a lot of time, but if you know the secret of templates, you can save a lot of time. Okay, so that's it for today. In case you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, click on the like and on the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. FX back feeling Pipsy. Thanks for watching.